Are you stuck at a 9-to-5 job you're not very fond of? Or better said, you downright hate it and hate wasting your time? Are you looking for a new, easy, better way to make $100 daily? Then why not do it online? The internet is the foremost money-making machine of the 21st century. In this article, I'll introduce you to 11 easy-to-master ways to make money online, some of which won't take 8 hours a day. So, let's look at what I have in mind, shall we? Paid surveys. Another straightforward online side hustle for making easy money is doing paid surveys. Did you know that there are lots of sites out there that offer you to take surveys and then pay you for them? Granted, it's not the most profitable venture, but it's worth giving it a shot since it's so easy and available. If you're worried about the legitimacy of this kind of income, don't be. Paid surveys are legitimate, and thousands of businesses out there use them. Companies need opinions from users and buyers to improve their products and services and create new ones. The internet allows them to reach people who can provide reliable data, people they otherwise wouldn't have the chance to go to. Yes, that's where you come in. A paid survey is giving your opinion on a service or product and getting paid for it. All you have to do is sign up, for free, on a paid online survey site and start earning money. But be wary of scam sites that ask you to pay to use their surveys. Okay, but how do I know which sites are reliable regarding paid surveys? Here's my selection of some of the best places you can visit to get some extra cash from surveys. Swagbucks, this is arguably the most popular paid survey site in the world. Every time you take a survey, you also earn Swagbuck points, which you can later use to redeem gift cards or cash. Swagbucks offers other activities such as web searching, playing games, and watching videos. Depending on the survey and the training you do on Swagbucks, you'll be able to earn between $2 and $50 per survey. Survey Junkie, this is one of the web's most accessible, specific survey sites. It's a free membership site where you can earn up to $50 per survey. You'll get your first paid survey offer as soon as you sign up, and you can take it when you're ready. Survey Junkie has an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau and millions of members worldwide. Inbox Dollars. The great thing about Inbox Dollars is that it doesn't practice the point system. It works by offering you cash right away, through PayPal, but also, if you want, through gift cards. You can earn money by taking surveys, playing games, watching videos, reading emails, and buying from selected stores. The surveys on Inbox Dollars are paid anywhere from 50 cents to $20, and each survey takes 2 to 25 minutes of your time, depending on its length. Inbox Dollars gives you $5 if you sign up with them. Branded Surveys, one of the most popular surveys and market research platforms that pay people for their opinions. It's an excellent opportunity to work from home and make money by doing surveys from the comfort of your own home. Join now for free, become a member and start earning today. Life Points, another great site for earning extra cash. Life Points allows you to take surveys and receive points, which you can exchange for money, paid through PayPal, donations, or gift cards. Talyuna is a paid survey site that works with big brands like Coca-Cola, Amazon, Kellogg's, L'Oreal, Sony Music, Fiat, and many more. It's beautiful because it allows you to pick topics you like so you can have more fun doing the surveys. You can receive payment from them in cash or through vouchers. Also, they recently introduced their games section, which allows you to play games and earn money. I Say offers paid surveys through Ipsos, a market research firm. I Say doesn't contain as big of a variety of paid surveys as the other sites on this list, but it's still an excellent site you can earn extra cash from. It operates by the point system, but you can always redeem your points for cash or gift cards. Freelance Writing. If you have solid writing skills and can quickly get the hang of all kinds of different topics in a short amount of time, then you should try freelance writing. Depending on the work, the number of words, and the client's budget, you can make less and more than $100 per day. Some word count requirements are less than 500 words, but most are between 1,200 and 2,000 words. Nowadays, there are plenty of websites you can search for freelance work. All you need to do is sign up and list your skills and expertise. Some of the sites may ask for an existing portfolio. These are some of the best freelance marketplace websites right now. Upwork. If you've ever dabbled in freelancing, you must have heard about Upwork. It's a site that offers freelance jobs in IT, software, and web design, as well as graphic design, writing, translation, engineering, and architecture. It's a great place to search for freelance work if you're starting. Go here to learn more about Upwork alternatives. Contently, as the name suggests, this company is explicitly aimed at freelance writers. Contently works by connecting writers with top global brands. Suppose you want to sign up for their services. In that case, you will have to upload a portfolio, so this is recommended for more experienced writers with many completed projects and at least a few years of work experience. We Work Remotely. This is another excellent site to search for freelance work. It offers remote jobs worldwide for all kinds of tech and writing expertise. Freelancer. This is an old classic. Many established freelancers first started on Freelancer. Fiverr. It offers a wide range of freelancing jobs, among which you can find lots of writing and translation gigs. Sponsored posts are pretty self-explanatory. Companies and businesses pay you to write good stuff about them, their services and products, on your site or blog. You need to talk about a product, or a brand, you like, tell your readers how you use it, and inform them how they can benefit from it. Again, how much you earn depends on several factors: the niche you're in, how often you write sponsored posts, which pays you, etc. Payments range from a couple of $100s to several $1,000 per post, but sometimes tens of thousands of dollars if your site has a lot of traffic. For more detailed info on how to start writing and publishing sponsored posts on your site, you can check out Alexa Schroeder's blog Financials. That's how you spell it, yes. In it, she explains all the basic steps and tips on how much you should charge for your posts and what rules you have to follow when writing them. An important thing to remember when writing sponsored posts is that you should generally write about products and companies you like, trust, and have tried out. These should be brands and businesses you genuinely feel good about, believe in, and don't have a problem promoting. That way, it'll be much easier to gain trust with your readers, because if they don't think you're genuine, it'll hurt your site's growth. Coaching and consultation. Coaching is a great way to earn money online if you're an expert in a particular field. This usually works well if you first put effort into building your brand online through your website. Once people begin to trust you and realize that you have expertise and integrity, they will start to approach you on their own. They will ask you how you got to where you are now and how they can apply the same ideas and methods to their business or well-established companies. At first, you may be tempted to give free advice, but as more people approach you, you will feel the urge to start charging for your consultations. Again, the amount of money you'll earn from your consultations will depend on your niche. Business coaches make a pretty good amount of money, around $235 per hour, and executive coaches make even more, $325 an hour. Other types of coaches, like life coaches, also make good money, but less than the ones mentioned above, like $160 an hour. Write an ebook or sell another type of digital product. This is a pretty easy way to make money online. For this to work, you must have a certain amount of expertise in a field, so you know what you're talking about and why you're writing the ebook. But you can also write something shorter, like an online guide or a tutorial. If you're in the nutrition niche, you can create meal plans, or in the sports niche, you can create an exercise routine. Nowadays, ebooks are straightforward to promote and disseminate. You can put yours on your website for sale, but you can also sell it through Amazon and promote it on social media platforms. Additionally, you can make a digital subscription in which you will serialize your expertise or knowledge, share step-by-step guides, and churn out fresh and up-to-date content for your subscribers. Once you get into the game, it becomes straightforward to make a profit. I mean, there are tons of ideas for what kind of digital products you can sell. If you're into graphic design, you can make t-shirt designs and sell them through Amazon Merch. You don't need a supply of physical t-shirts or any inventory, that's Amazon's job. All you need to do is create a killer design and sell it. Google AdSense, you'll need a website, but you can make $100 a day. Google AdSense is a digital advertising program designed by Google for bloggers, website owners, and YouTubers to use and make money from the ads advertised on Google. It's a reasonably simple strategy to earn income online. You will have to sign up with the program, and then Google will give you a code, known as an AdSense code, that you need to copy and paste onto your website. And that's it. From then onwards, Google does most of the work, and you get money every time someone clicks on your ads. Now, of course, the success of your AdSense program depends on your niche. Typically, ads that have to do with financial advising and insurance, and online education will bring you money faster than niches like electronics, fashion, retail, food, fitness, and health. You can join Google AdSense for free. Also, their eligibility criteria are pretty loose, so even if you have a brand new blog or site, you'll still be able to join. Moreover, they offer different ads, video, images and animated images, rich media, and text. You can run the ads from one AdSense account if you have several websites. If you want to use AdSense on YouTube videos, you'll need a minimum of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. Last but not least, whatever you do, don't cheat and click on your ads. Because Google can tell, and then they will suspend your account indefinitely. AdSense is beginner-friendly and easy to start with. The downside is that the payouts are generally small. There are Google AdSense alternatives of display ad networks with better payouts. Ezoic, beginner-friendly and recommended, is a website optimization platform for digital publishers and website owners. MediaVine is a display ad network helping content creators build sustainable businesses. Offering the best payouts but having strict entry requirements. Your site needs to have at least 50K sessions per month. Thrive is a premium display ad management company that provides complete ad optimization services. Monumetric is a display ad service that helps publishers monetize their websites. Work as a virtual assistant, VA. Bloggers and online business owners could always use a helping hand, and that's where you come in as a virtual assistant. It's usually a relatively easy job that can be done from home. You'll need to do some admin work and post on social media, but you can also act as customer support. The specific job description depends on your employer's needs. You'll do whatever they need most at the moment for their business to operate smoothly. This is why you should first take a general look at the field and decide whether you want to get into it or not, and then look at particular job offers and prepare for the ones that you want to apply for. You can search for VA jobs on the same websites that offer freelance work, some of which I mentioned in the freelance writing section. I hope this video was helpful.